Title: How to Make Your Partner Emotionally Attached to You. Relationship Psychology. Script: 0.5 to 3 minutes. Have you ever wondered why some people become unforgettable in relationships? Why their partner naturally feels drawn to them, without force or pressure? Today, I'll share relationship psychology secrets that help build deep emotional attachment in a healthy and respectful way. First, create emotional safety. When your partner feels understood, not judged, they relax around you. Listen more than you speak. Sometimes, feeling heard is more powerful than any romantic gesture. Second, be unpredictable in a positive way. Do not be available all the time. Psychology says that a little space increases value. When your partner knows you have your own life, goals, and happiness, they start missing you naturally. Third, appreciate them, but don't overdo it. Genuine appreciation boosts emotional bonding, but excessive validation reduces attraction. Balance is the key. Fourth, trigger positive emotions. People don't get attached to words, they get attached to feelings. Make them laugh. Create good memories. Your partner will associate happiness with you. Finally, respect yourself. This is the strongest psychological rule. When you respect your time, boundaries, and self-worth, your partner's attachment grows automatically. Remember, real attachment is not created by control, fear, or begging. It is created by confidence, emotional connection, and self-respect. If you found this helpful, don't forget to... Otro call to action. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon for more powerful relationship psychology content. Thumbnail text ideas. Psychology of emotional attachment. Make your partner crave you. Secret relationship psychology. If you want a more bold, male-female specific, or short style version, just tell me.